I'll have the jury brought out then. Record to reflect, we are all back in this courtroom.
Before the jury's brought out, can we address subject matter jurisdiction, Your Honor? Before
Absolutely
the jury's
not.
brought out,
Absolutely not.
is that a tacit agreement that you don't have to answer those questions as a public servant, Your Honor? So are you going to act in dishonor?
Mr. Brooks,
Are you going to act in
I've
dishonor?
already addressed your requests.
It hasn't been proven for the record, Your Honor.
The jury is on its way,
They're not out yet, though.
but they're on the way.
You held me in contempt.
I'm not
You held me in
addressing these
contempt
matters,
before-
sir.
Have I acted in dishonor, Your Honor? You held me in contempt without me being in dishonor. How have I dishonored the court? Have I acted in dishonor? Have I rose my voice or argued with Your Honor? Have I disrupted the
Mr.
courtroom
Brooks,
in
you're
any way?
back in this courtroom at your request. The jury is coming
I
out.
never should have
Please
been.
be respectful of their time
I
and of this
have
process
been. They weren't
and
even
the
out
dignity
before.
of the proceedings.
They weren't even out before when I was trying to address what needed to be
Mr.
addressed
Brooks,
before they came out.
You're just
am I
attempting
acting
to
in
disrupt
dishonor?
the proceedings.
Am I acting in dishonor? So that's a tacit
All
agreement
rise
that you
for the
don't.
jury, please.
It's a tacit agreement that you don't have to answer questions as a public servant, right?
All right, the jury
No
is
jury's
not
out.
Mr. Brooks,
No jury's
go to the
out.
door.
I was trying to
Mr.
address
Brooks,
this
they are
before they
right
came out.
outside this door. I am not going to do this with you this morning. You either
I'm not
abide by
doing-
these rules
Am I
and
acting in
stay
dishonor?
quiet,
Am
or
I
you will
acting
be
in
in the other
dishonor?
courtroom.
Am I acting in dishonor?
Yes, you are acting
How?
in dishonor.
How?
You are disobeying the direct order of this court to respect the decorum and the dignity of these proceedings. You are merely attempting to delay.
I don't care what you think. That's not accurate.
Mr. Brooks, I am having this jury out.
And-
if you
and you're
say
making-
one word when that door opens,
You're making a tacit agreement.
then you will forfeit your right to be present.
So you're acting in dishonor, then, Your Honor.
All right, the jury may come in.
You're acting in dishonor by making a tacit agreement that you don't have to answer any questions as a public servant. You're not holding up to your oath to protect the
All right, the
Constitution.
door is open and he's talking.
Okay, so you're gonna hold me in
All right,
contempt?
the jury cannot come in. Never mind.
Are you gonna hold
All
me in
right,
contempt?
Mr. Brooks is going to be removed. We're in recess until that
How
can
am
be
I
accomplished.
acting in dishonor?